Welcome back to our QMatic series on using the Bernina Q20 and QMatic system. I'm Kathy from Above and Beyond Creative Sewing, and now I'm going to show you how to roll the quilt, and I'm also going to show you how to nest on the screen so we can get our next row quilted. Okay, so I'm going to unlock my ratchets here, and I'm going to use the take-up lever bar to roll the quilt so that there's just a little bit of stitching left in my quilt area, okay? I'm gonna lock the back, turn that a little bit. Now remember, what's really nice about this system here is that this front row, this bar rather, comes all the way up. Okay, so I can kind of roll this out of my way, and now I can straighten out my batting and smooth this all out so that there's no ripples or anything in the next space that I'm going to be quilting. Okay, and then this comes down like this. All very easy to do. Okay, then I'm going to lock my top and turn this a little bit to tighten this. Okay, and then I'm just going to give it a tug a little bit on both sides just to kind of smooth out all the wrinkles. There we go. Okay, great. Now I'm ready to move my safe area and then set the system to stitch the next row. So I always like to highlight the row that I just did so that I know where I am on the screen. So now I'm going to move my safe area down. I'm going to reposition it on screen, and I'm just going to take this whole red bar and move it down so that I can stitch the next row. Just like that. I'm going to hit the green check. Okay, and now I'm going to snap to point right on the screen here. Now the machine is going to be starting on this side, so I'm going to snap to point right on this spot right here. So I'm going to move my machine head. Let me try to get right on that spot. I'm going to move the machine head on the quilt so that it's going to start close to this line here so that it's going to nest perfectly when it stitches. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're going to come back here. We're going to tell it okay. I'm going to DQ all, and then I'm going to select my next row, which is this one, and now I'm ready to stitch. I'm going to hit the green check mark. I'm going to hit the play button, and we're going to hit at start point, and now it's going to come down here and start stitching. It really is that easy to get this set up for your next row. Okay, if you look on screen, it's telling me that I need to pull up my bobbin thread, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, just like that. And now I'm going to hit the green check to start stitching. Okay, so that's how easy it is to roll the quilt and get your next row stitches set up. Thank you for joining me, and we hope to see you on the next video. Thank you.